Good day, everybody. Welcome back to Your Florida Electrician. In the last two videos, I ran this conduit. The first one, we dug a trench over to underneath the house. And the second one, we went underneath the house and ran the rest of the conduit into the laundry room. Today, I want to run some string. It's measuring string from here to the inside because the amount of PV wire that is intended to go in here, I only have 100 feet total. So before I cut it in half and try to make two parallel runs out of it, I want to use this tape because it has numbers on it and we can see the total length of the pipe and figure out if I have enough PV wire or not. So, but at this moment, I don't know where my fish tape is. So I'm going to show you how to use a vacuum, wet and dry vac. So first things first, let's go over, set up the vacuum, and then we'll cut this thing open. Okay, so here's the conduit coming into the house from outside. What I want to do is just take my ordinary wet and dry vacuum. It's a Ryobi. Put this on the end. Get it so it stays there. And we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to go out to the other side and suck in some string. Oh, let me see if that's going to stay there. I mean, I could tape it too, but I'm going to keep pulling this thing up to check to see if I have it or not. All right, let's go. It's a nice little trick. Oh, no wonder the vacuum is making so much noise. I got this thing all taped up. Here we go. Get out of here. Oh my God. Oh gosh, this thing wants to go. Oh, all we need is a small piece of this bag. Wow, that's awesome. Okay. Conduit, measuring tape. Take a little piece of trash bag or something. That's going to go through the pipe easily enough. Just tie it in. Make sure it's not too big because it's going to get hung up. You don't want it to get hung up. Tie it in like so. That's small enough. It should be. Check this out. And then let it rip. Oop, it's stuck. Now I'm going to go in and check. This thing is really pulling hard. All right, hear the vacuum again. And it's not pulling as hard anymore. So let's go check it out. There it is. You see it? So now I have a string. If I want to pull a few wires through here, chances of pulling it back are pretty slim. So I'm probably going to pull a little bit more and then cut it on both ends to get my measurement. Okay, let's finish cutting this off. I'm going to pull a little bit more off of here. So I'm going to cut it inside as well. This stuff is a lifesaver. You may want to tie it onto here, just in case. You don't want to pull it through the pipe and have to do it again. Okay, let's take a number off of here. Find it. This is a 170-pound tape, so you can pull pretty hard. All right, I got a number here, 141. Okay, 142. Okay. 1411. Okay, so 1411, 1412. Pick up my trash. So I can pull this a little bit because I do have some slack out there. Yeah, this is really bound up. So pull this a little bit, cut it, vacuum out of the way. Outside was 1411 or 1412. All right, 1352. 1352. 1411 minus 1352. Yeah, that's more than 50 feet, unfortunately. Oh yeah, because it's probably going to rain. This conduit's open now. I really don't want it to fill up with water. So, at least not anytime soon. I'm going to put this tape back on there. This is some Gorilla tape. Good stuff. It actually looks like it's going to rain soon. Gosh, this stuff's sticky. So I'm going to put this back on there so the rain can't get in. The other side's all set, not worried about it. Put that away, put this away. Thank you again.